working on a FedEx truck on the side of the road. We did a come and swap a couple years ago. It had a 6.4 power stroke in it. So we put this 5.9 Cummins in it, and the VP44 pump went bad. Started having communication issues and shutting off on the driver. It's been doing it for a while, but we just haven't had time to do it, put it together. But I just got it out on the side of the road. This engine has been giving us less problems than the 6.4, but it still has its issues with that faulty injector pump. But there's quite a bit of room in there to work. It didn't take long for me to get it out. So just waiting on another one so we can swap it and take it back down to the hub. And then another FedEx truck. They brought it out here to load all the packages in, and the turbo went bad on it. New turbo. Here's the old turbo. In there. You can see where it's been gouging the sides of got some wear on that wheel. This one's a 5.9 common rail. Pickup trucks don't have the EGR system, but these do. And I just got done putting injectors in this a couple days ago. Now it starts every time, but it turned into a runaway a little bit ago. We took the air filter off, and it is like revved to the moon. We had to put it in gear to get it stopped, because last time that happened, it took out the injectors and almost took the motor out. The tips of the injectors melted off. I guess that happens when you get oil on the tips of the injectors. It's not a good thing. So, yeah, we're just right behind these stores, and there's a bunch of these moving vans back here. They were all coming in one at a time. And that's what happened when this engine turned into a runaway. It just made a big black spot and smoked like crazy. The intercooler fills up with oil, and as soon as it gets the oil moving with the turbo boost, it shoves it through this side of the intercooler and right into the intake, and it just turns into a fuel source. And we shut the key off, and it just kept on going. But that's it for now.